Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials so the app can track and guide sleep accurately. Install only way, then allow sleep, motion, and notifications, otherwise data gaps occur. Set a realistic 7-9 hour sleep target and pick a flexible bedtime window that fits your routine. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb scheduling and exclude the app from battery optimization so background tracking runs reliably. These steps let the app collect continuous data and start giving actionable recommendations immediately. Now you configure the app's core features to match how you sleep and live. You should set a 30-60-minute wind-down routine and assign calming activities so the app cues your behavior before lights out. Customize sleep stage tracking sensitivity and the smart alarm window to avoid waking during deep sleep. Choose soundscapes or silence for sleep onset. Once sensors are linked, phone or wearable. Make a habit of syncing once daily so the app refines its model and personalizes tips over time. Finish by validating settings and learning from short tests. You'll run a 3-night trial, review the trend insights, and accept small suggested adjustments rather than drastic changes so adaptation is steady. Test the smart alarm and tweak volume and snooze to wake naturally. If sleep tracking or alarms fail, immediately recheck app permissions, battery optimization exceptions, and sensor connectivity. Reconnect your wearable and force stop, then reopen the app if needed. That troubleshooting step fixes the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.